Watching someone you love slowly forget the little things, a favorite song, the sound of your voice, even who you are. It's heartbreaking. Alzheimer's doesn't just take memory, it changes lives, families, and futures. But there is hope. You can take steps today to protect their wishes, their dignity, and most importantly, your family's peace of mind. I'm Chris Johnson with Johnson McGinnis Elder Care Law. Today, I want to talk about something many families face, but often put off thinking about: planning for Alzheimer's or dementia. When someone is diagnosed with Alzheimer's, certain legal documents are absolutely essential. These aren't just papers, they protect your loved one's wishes and their future. Let's walk through the most important legal documents. First off, durable power of attorney for finances and legal decision making. This lets a trusted person handle bills, banking, and financial decisions when your loved one can't. It prevents financial chaos down the road. Secondly, a medical or healthcare power of attorney. This gives someone authority to make healthcare decisions. If your loved one cannot speak for themselves, you want someone they trust making these critical decisions. 3, an advance directive for healthcare, where your loved one can say exactly what treatments they do or don't want. It's peace of mind knowing that their wishes will be honored. 4, a HIPAA authorization. This is often overlooked, but it's important. It allows doctors to share medical information with family members or caregivers, which keeps everyone on the same page. Then, a will or living trust. It's about more than dividing assets. A living trust can help avoid probate and make sure property goes where it's supposed to. Next, conservatorship planning. If your loved one eventually cannot make decisions, planning avoids messy court battles later. And 7, long-term care and Medicaid planning. Long-term care is expensive. Getting advice early helps families protect their savings and make sure, most importantly, that care needs are met. Every family's situation is different. I'd like to share with you a real-life example of what happens when you don't have these planning documents. I had a daughter check her mother out of the nursing home in a wheelchair and bring her to our office. She said that mom wanted a lot of changes to her planning, to include disinheriting a child and other major adjustments. When we saw mom and watched her interactions during the beginning of the meeting, we understood that something really isn't right here. And as we often do, we asked the daughter to excuse herself while we walked through the situation with mom. It was very clear that she no longer had capacity, and because of this, there weren't any changes that we could make. We offered to refer them to an attorney that's going to do the conservatorship work, but they're limited in what changes they can make to the estate plan, if any, at that point. Had they come in sooner, when mom even first went into the nursing home or first had a diagnosis, there was a lot that could have been done to protect her legacy, to plan for her care, and to prevent fractures in the family. Unfortunately, that family waited too long, and now they were left with a mess. If you're watching this and thinking, I need to get started, that's the right instinct. Planning early makes a world of difference for your loved one and for your family. At Johnson McGinnis Elder Care Law, we specialize in planning for Alzheimer's and dementia. Call us at 615-824-2571 for a consultation. Let's protect your family's future together.